How to fix Play Store error no connection. In this video guys, I will show you how to fix this on Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps, and here on apps, as you see, you will search for Google Play Store. When you found it, open it like this, then go to storage option, and here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. Also click on clear cache and go back, click on force stop and click OK. And now if you open Play Store and this problem still have it, what you should do, you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.